Have you ever found yourself craving a delicious mocha milkshake but unable to find a nearby store? Or perhaps you've wanted to order a mocha cake for a special occasion but didn't know how to go about it? If so, you're not alone. Many mocha fans have wondered if the popular coffee and dessert chain has an app to make their lives easier. Moka has been a beloved brand in Nigeria for years, known for its high-quality coffee, delectable pastries, and cozy atmosphere. With a growing customer base, it's natural to wonder if they've embraced the digital age with an app. In this video, we'll dive into the world of Moka and find out if they offer an app and what features it might include. Does Moka have an app? The short answer is no, Moka doesn't currently have a dedicated mobile app. While many popular brands have embraced app technology to enhance customer experience, Moka has chosen a different approach. Reasons for no app. There could be several reasons why Moka hasn't developed an app. One possibility is that they're focusing on providing a high-quality, in-store experience. Moka's brick-and-mortar locations offer a unique ambience that can't be replicated online. Additionally, they might be considering the costs and resources involved in developing and maintaining an app. Alternative options. Although Moka doesn't have its own app, there are still ways to connect with the brand digitally. Social media. Moka is active on various social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. You can follow them for updates, promotions, and new menu items. Website. The Moka website provides information about their locations, menu, and company history. You can also find contact details for customer service. Third-party delivery apps. In some areas, Moka might be available on third-party delivery apps like Uber Eats or Bolt Food. These apps allow you to order Moka products for delivery directly to your doorstep. Future possibilities. While Moka doesn't have an app now, it's possible that they might consider developing one in the future. As technology continues to evolve and consumer expectations change, there's always a chance that Moka will see the benefits of having a mobile app. So, does Moka have an app? Not at the moment. However, the brand remains accessible through social media, their website, and third-party delivery apps. As Moka continues to grow and adapt to the changing market, we can only hope that they'll explore the possibility of creating a mobile app to enhance the customer experience. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.